Dino, wake up! You have to look after all these eggs. Do you know how many are there? Let's add them up. Adding up means putting together or grouping together several things. Today we're going to add up Dino's eggs. Are you up for it? Let's see how many eggs there are. Up here we have 1 and 2, and down there we have 1. So all together they sum 1, 2, and 3. 3! There are 3 eggs. 2 plus 1 equals 3. We have completed our first addition. Adding up 2 plus 1 gives you 3. This has been your first addition, Dino. Are you happy? Wow, it looks like you have more eggs to look after. Do you know how many eggs are there now? Shall we add them up? Up here, there are 1 and 2 eggs. And down there, we have 1, 2, and 3 eggs. We have to add 2 plus 3. So all the eggs together would sum up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 eggs. 2 plus 3 equals 5. The result of adding up 2 plus 3 is 5. Well done, Dino. Do you like adding up? Whoa, more eggs are falling down. Let's add them up to find out how many eggs in total you'll have to look after, okay? Up here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 eggs. And down there, we have 1, 2, and 3 eggs. We have to add 5 plus 3. So the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 eggs. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Well done, Dino. Today you need to look after 8 dinosaur eggs. Now you know how to add up. You've fallen asleep again, Dino. Wake up, everyone's gone. You're not much of a dinosaur egg guardian, are you? Well, it's okay, Dino. Today we've learned how to add. Do you want to recap? We could also do horizontal additions. It's done in the same way. Pay attention. 2 plus 1 equals 1, 2, and 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Very well. Let's do the next one. 2 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Way to go! Let's do another one. 5 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So good! I'm afraid there's nothing we can do about Dino. He's had a hard day, so we'll just let him.
Good job, everybody. Practice again and again. Practice make perfect. Remember. See you next class. Bye.